Bad breath is a problem for many people. It can make you feel very shy sometimes. You might worry when you talk to others. This is a very common issue for everyone. Many people experience this same problem. It is okay to want to have fresh breath. We are here to help you understand it better. You are not alone in wanting this change. We will explore simple ways to help you. This guide will make it easy for you. Doctors call it halitosis, which is the medical term. It simply means your breath does not smell fresh. Sometimes your breath might smell bad all day long. Other times it smells bad only in the morning. It can certainly be embarrassing in social situations, but there are many effective ways to fix it. We will show you some very easy ways. These methods are simple to learn and use daily. Knowing about bad breath is the very first step. Understanding why it happens helps a great deal. Then you can learn how to stop it effectively. Let us start this important journey to fresh breath together. We are here to guide you every step. Bad breath happens for several different reasons. Most often, the problem starts right in your mouth. Tiny little bits of food can get stuck there. They often get stuck between your teeth. They can also hide on the surface of your tongue. These leftover food bits begin to break down. As they break down, they start to smell unpleasant. This smell is what makes your breath bad. It is very important to remove these food bits. There are tiny living things that reside in your mouth. These microscopic organisms are called bacteria. Some types of bacteria in your mouth are good, but some other types of bacteria are not so good. These not so good bacteria eat the food bits. When they eat these food bits, they make smelly gases. These gases are the sulfur compounds you might smell. This is a very big cause of bad breath. Understanding this helps you fight it. Sometimes your mouth can get very dry. A dry mouth can also cause bad breath to occur. Saliva, which is your natural spit, helps to clean your mouth. Let's talk a little bit more about bacteria. These tiny living things live almost everywhere on Earth. Many millions of them live inside your mouth. Most of these bacteria are completely harmless to you. Some of them even help us with digestion. But certain specific types of bacteria cause problems. These are the ones that make the bad smells. They like to hide in dark, warm, wet places. Your mouth is a perfect home for them to grow. These smell-making bacteria especially love to eat protein. When you eat foods like meat, cheese, or fish, they are very happy. They work to break down these protein-rich foods. This breakdown process releases smelly sulfur compounds. These sulfur compounds can smell like rotten eggs. This is a very strong and very bad smell. So, these particular bacteria turn your food into bad breath. It is actually their waste product that smells so unpleasant. Your tongue is a very big hiding place for bacteria. The surface of your tongue has many small bumps and grooves. Bacteria can hide deep down in these tiny grooves. Good oral hygiene is your very best defense. This simply means keeping your mouth clean all the time. Brushing your teeth regularly is extremely important. You should make sure to brush at least 2 times a day. It is best to brush in the morning after you wake up, and it is also best to brush at night before you go to sleep. This daily routine helps to remove food and plaque. Plaque is a sticky film full of bacteria. When you brush your teeth, do it the right way. Use a toothbrush that has soft bristles. Hard bristles can sometimes hurt your gums. They can also damage your tooth enamel over time. Use a toothpaste that contains fluoride. Fluoride is a mineral that helps make your teeth strong. It protects them from cavities. Brush for at least 2 full minutes each time. Make sure you clean all sides of your teeth carefully. The front, the back, and the chewing surfaces all need attention. Flossing is also very, very important for oral health. Your toothbrush cannot reach absolutely everywhere in your mouth. It cannot clean properly between your teeth. It also cannot clean well under your gum line. Section 5. Beyond brushing, cleaning your whole mouth. Brushing your teeth and flossing are definitely key. These are the foundations of good oral care. But there is actually more that you can do. Your tongue needs careful cleaning too, as we mentioned. As we said before, many bacteria live on your tongue. These bacteria are responsible for causing a lot of bad breath. So, cleaning your tongue properly is absolutely essential. You can use a special tool called a tongue scraper, or you can simply use your toothbrush to clean it. A tongue scraper is a specially designed tool. It is made to gently clean your tongue's surface. You should gently scrape from the back of your tongue to the front. Rinse the scraper under water after each pass. This action removes the white or yellowish coating you might see. This coating is made up of bacteria and tiny food bits. Cleaning your tongue this way can make a big difference. Your breath will be noticeably fresher as a result. Mouthwash can also help you with bad breath. Some types of mouthwashes are made to kill bacteria. Other types help to neutralize or cover up bad smells. Section 6. Food for fresh breath. What to eat. What you choose to eat can affect your breath. Some foods are actually good for promoting fresh breath, while others, as you know, can make it worse. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables is generally good. Think about foods like apples, carrots, and celery sticks. These types of foods help to clean your teeth as you chew. They act like tiny natural toothbrushes scrubbing your teeth. They also help your mouth to make more saliva, which is beneficial. Foods that are rich in vitamin C are also helpful. Vitamin C is important for keeping your gums healthy. Healthy gums mean there are fewer places for bacteria to hide. Good sources of vitamin C include oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers. Eating these foods regularly can help fight gum disease, and this, in turn, can help to reduce bad breath. So try to add more of these healthy foods to your meals. Your mouth will thank you for it. Some common herbs can naturally freshen your breath. Parsley and mint are very good examples of this. Chewing on these fresh herbs can help a lot. They contain natural oils that can mask bad smells. Section 7. Drink up. Why water is your friend. Staying properly hydrated is very important for fresh breath. This means you need to drink enough water every day. Water helps to keep your mouth moist and comfortable. A moist mouth is generally a healthy mouth. Your saliva, or spit, is mostly made of water, and your saliva is your mouth's natural cleaning agent. It constantly works to wash away food particles and bacteria. This helps keep your breath fresher throughout the day. When your mouth becomes dry, bad breath often gets worse. This is often the main reason why morning breath happens. Your saliva production naturally slows down when you are asleep. This decrease in saliva makes your mouth dry out. Drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up helps. It rehydrates your mouth almost immediately. It also helps to wash away the bacteria that grew overnight. This is a simple yet effective morning habit. So, how much water should you actually drink each day? A good general guide is to aim for about 8 glasses. Each glass should be about 8 ounces. This is a general recommendation, however. Section 8. When to call the doctor. Getting expert help. Sometimes bad breath just does not go away. This can happen even if you try all the tips. You might be brushing, flossing, and cleaning your tongue. You might be watching what you eat and drink. If your bad breath continues despite your best efforts, see a dentist. A dentist is a professional who can find the cause. They can check your teeth and your gums thoroughly. They can see if you have any underlying dental problems. It is very important to get expert help if needed. Your dentist will also professionally clean your teeth. This type of cleaning is called a dental prophylaxis. They can remove hardened plaque, which is called tartar. You cannot remove tartar at home with just a toothbrush. Tartar is full of bacteria and can contribute to bad breath. Regular dental checkups and cleanings are very important. You should visit your dentist about twice a year, or you should go as often as they recommend for your specific needs. Persistent bad breath can sometimes be a sign. It can be a sign of other health problems in your body. Section 9. Fresh breath, happy you. A quick recap. We have learned a great deal about bad breath today. We now know that it is a very common problem. Many people all over the world worry about it. But the good news is that now you know it can be fixed. The main cause of bad breath is often bacteria. These bacteria live in your mouth, especially on your tongue. These bacteria feed on tiny leftover food particles. Then they release smelly gases like sulfur compounds. This is what makes your breath smell bad. Good oral hygiene is your most powerful tool. Remember to brush your teeth at least 2 times a day. You should also floss once a day to clean between your teeth. These areas are where food and bacteria often hide. Do not forget to clean your tongue every day. You can use a tongue scraper or your toothbrush for this. Using a mouthwash can give you some extra freshness. These simple daily steps can make a very big difference. They help remove bacteria and food effectively. What you choose to eat and drink also matters a lot. Try to eat crunchy fruits and vegetables often. Foods like apples and carrots help to clean your mouth. Drink plenty of plain water every single day.